I am delighted to share something extraordinary with you today. It is my hope that what I am about to reveal will have a profound impact on your life. I have a miraculous solution to share with you, a remedy that can unclog your arteries. Cardiovascular disease is a widespread health issue that affects millions of people around the world. It can be caused by several factors, such as obesity, diabetes, an unhealthy diet, and excessive stress. Our circulatory system comprises a complex network of capillaries, blood vessels, and arteries. These channels transport oxygenated blood throughout the body, providing fuel to all of our body's vital functions. However, when blood vessels become clogged and obstructed, the flow of blood is impeded, leading to various health complications. Today, I will introduce you to a potent elixir that can help prevent these blockages and keep your blood vessels clear and open. Plaques are the culprits behind these blockages. They occur when cholesterol adheres to the walls of an artery. In response, our immune system dispatches white blood cells to attack the cholesterol, initiating a series of events that culminate in inflammation. In severe cases, these cells form a plaque over the cholesterol, creating a tiny obstruction. As the plaques grow in size, they can entirely block the flow of blood in an artery. When blood is unable to reach the heart, it can result in a heart attack, a frightening and potentially life-threatening condition. If blood flow to the brain is obstructed, it is known as a stroke, a serious medical emergency that requires immediate attention. Fortunately, there are many steps you can take to enhance your heart health and prevent the development of plaques. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle is crucial, and your diet is a vital component of this. By making dietary modifications, you can significantly reduce your risk of plaque buildup and improve your heart health. It is never too late to adopt a healthier eating pattern. Just as years of unhealthy eating can harm your body, incorporating healthy foods into your diet can help repair it. One way to promote heart health is to incorporate more healthy fats into your diet, such as olives, nuts, avocados, and fish. Additionally, it's essential to reduce your consumption of saturated fats, which are commonly found in processed foods and animal products. When it comes to fats, it is essential to avoid artificial sources of trans fats, which can be detrimental to your health. Increasing your fiber intake can also be beneficial. Additionally, it is crucial to limit your intake of sugar, as it not only poses a toxicity risk but can also lead to inflammation in the body. Regular exercise is another important aspect of maintaining a healthy heart. Losing excess weight and ensuring that you get enough sleep can also contribute to improved heart health. As the old adage goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. This saying may hold some truth, as apples have been shown to reduce arterial hardening by up to 40%. This is due to the presence of polyphenols and fiber, which can help prevent the clogging of arteries. Apples have also been shown to lower blood cholesterol levels, which is beneficial for heart health. Low-density lipoproteins, LDLs, are often referred to as bad cholesterol. When LDL cholesterol interacts with free radicals and becomes oxidized, it is more likely to promote inflammation and cause tissue damage. Fortunately, there are natural remedies that can help prevent plaque buildup in arteries. For example, garlic has been shown to be effective in preventing plaque buildup and making our blood less sticky. By preventing plaque from adhering to arterial walls, garlic can play a healing role in arterial sclerosis therapy, promoting plaque regression. Research has demonstrated that garlic can lower total cholesterol levels, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and may even help to lower blood pressure. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you may be able to improve your heart health and reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Turmeric is another natural remedy that has been shown to have powerful healing properties. Curcumin, the principal curcuminoid found in turmeric, is a polyphenol that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. In addition to its antioxidant properties, curcumin has been shown to have a range of health benefits. For example, it can lower triglyceride levels, inhibit platelet aggregation, lower blood pressure, and enhance fibrinolytic activity. These benefits can help improve heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. One of the primary risk factors for cardiovascular disease is being overweight. When fat cells release cytokines, they can cause damage to blood vessels and expose them to plaque buildup. However, The curcumin in turmeric has been shown to inhibit the differentiation of fat cells and reduce inflammation, which can help prevent the development of cardiovascular disease. Olive oil is a great source of healthy fats. It contains both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol levels. HDLs, or high-density lipoproteins, can help prevent plaque buildup in arteries by traveling through the bloodstream and removing excess LDLs from arterial walls. In addition to its heart-healthy fats, olive oil also contains antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil regularly can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. By incorporating more healthy fats, like those found in olive oil, into your diet and reducing your intake of unhealthy fats, you can help improve your heart health and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Black pepper is a well-known spice that offers numerous health benefits. It contains piperine, which is a potent antioxidant that can protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Piperine has also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help enhance the body's immune system. Additionally, piperine can improve the bioavailability of other nutrients, such as curcumin found in turmeric, making it more easily absorbed by the body. This can help maximize the benefits of turmeric in reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. Citrus fruits are also rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage and supports a healthy immune system. Lemon juice mixed with warm water can also help flush out toxins from the body and aid in weight loss. In addition, lemons have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body, which is important for preventing chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Overall, incorporating lemons into your diet can provide numerous health benefits.